While you are directly in DoorDash icon, you push open. It will show you some regulation about DoorDash. You just push accept and it will take you to the map. That's my location here. This is show you $1. Those are promotion. I will go push promotion here. You see, in my area what I choose, you show $1 extra, but between 9:30 to 11:30. There is another area by the base. It's $4 extra. That's the base tip. Plus they give you another extra $4. That's a good location there. We go back. We push just this X button here. You can schedule start time on October 6 p.m. and finish at 6:30. Let's do for today at that time. Now we're safe for that time. You always like to schedule your timing for you be one of the first one who will get the orders. We have here the main menu dash. That's where you go. You start picking up orders and all that good stuff. There is schedule. That's where you set for your schedule. Like I am in Northwest Tampa, like how I did in the beginning. I schedule between 6 to 6:30. There is another one between 7 to 9. Let's see if I clicked on it. He gave it to me. I will do save. Now we have both of them. There's another one, 8 to 10 p.m. Let's click on it. This is a new thing. Otherwise, I do create. Now we have from 6 to 10. We have a half hour break between 6:30 to 7. And the other location, there is other locations. This is for today. Now we get out from the schedule. We can go to the rating. When you go to the rating, it show you all these numbers here. If you click if any of those, they will give you the explanation for everything you click on it. We go back. We go to dash. Now you see the time is not that far away. Sometimes they let you come in early. You show me dash now. I will dash now. They ask you some few questions. Do you have gas? Is your phone charged? I do yes. And now I am ready. I'm just waiting for an order to come in. This flames, what they show you, they are the hot zones. Like if I'm close to those locations, I will be getting order faster. And I'll be one of the first ones who they get the order. Here in the top, you show how much money you're making for today. Let's see this one here. This one, they ask you some few questions. They tell you what's happening. If you want to end the dash, like stop now. If you want to extend the dash. If you want to take a break. And you always push X. There you go. I got an order for 10 miles, 11.25. You can take it. You can cancel it. Uh, Here also, they give you the timing. You see the timing here. You need to be fast. Either take the order or you cancel the order. We will cancel the order. They ask you why, and you do starting here. Then we wait for another order to come in. We receive another new order. Same thing. You see here, they keep timing you 16, 15, 14, 475, 44, almost 5 miles. That will be less than $1 a mile. No, I decline, decline. Just put something else and submit. We wait for another one. We see if something come up better. While we're waiting for another order, I would like to give you some tips about sometimes a customer do some order, pre-order, and you accept the order. When you go pick up the order or the item, the place when you pick up that item, they don't have it. What you will do, you need to either call the customer, see if he wants something else and he need to cancel the order and put a new order in, or I would think better to call the 1-800 number and tell them the situation. What they do, they will call the store, then they will call the customer, then they will talk to you and telling you, okay, just go ahead. They will cancel the order from their part, not from you. Never cancel the order from you because the point they will go bad for you. Let them cancel the order. The DoorDash, they will fix all that stuff. The only sad part, you be they do this process. 30 minutes. I have been waiting for a good order to come up, but too bad I didn't have a good order either. I need to drive 10, 20 miles to make $3 or $4. I don't want to do that. I would prefer to drive 2 miles and make $7, $8. That's my objective with the DoorDash. Um, I will do session today. I will stop today, and maybe tomorrow we will have a luck. I will show you how to accept the order and how we do to pick it up and to deliver it to the customer. If you like my YouTube video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you again. Okay, we got an order. We gotta take it. We push accept. It's 1.6 miles. Remember the timing 10, 9, 8. We do accept. Okay, we're at the store. We gotta pick up the order. We go to where they have the pickup. It's not ready yet. Okay, we're going to the house. Do not knock. Accept. Yep. And now we just do complete. Do happy face. Okay. All right, good.